This is the 3D Viewmaster Cartoon Carnival. Alvin and the Chipmunks in the grand entrance. Alvin couldn't get Dave Civvy to listen to his idea, so he and his two brothers went ahead with a very daring plan. It involved a song, a novel entrance, and Hazel Dave was truly floored when he saw it. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. I have an. Alvin began. No, no, yelled Dave. Picture 2. We're not sunk, Alvin told Simon and Theodore. Picture 3. There seems to be a delay, Dave stammered. Picture 4. An astonished Dave heard them singing as they came. Picture 5. Up on the stage, Dave ordered, but, Alvin cried. Picture 6. Krieg, Kirash. We tried to tell you, Alvin said. Picture 7. Even the cow enjoyed the singing farmers. King Leonardo in the royal blow. True Blue ODER colony planned a birthday celebration for King Leonardo, complete with cake and hullabaloo. I'll blast him with my cannon, said Litchi Brother. No, I'll bomb him, argued Biggie Red. Then each set about to carry out his plan to do away with the king and spoil the party. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. We have planned a gala celebration, ODER colony, and told the king. Picture 2. The bomb, said Itchy Brother. The cannon, argued Biggie. Picture 3. The disguised Biggie Red sneaked his bomb into the cake. Picture 4. My cannon will blow the king to mumbo jumbo, he he. Picture 5. Now the blast will hit the bomb, not his majesty, chuckled Odie. Picture 6. I must have blown too hard, King Leonardo gasped. Picture 7. Confound it, Odie. I had my mouth set for cake. Supercar and the team in the cave monster. Dr. Beaker was exploring a strange cave when Mitch the monkey destroyed the trail Dr. Beaker had left. To make matters worse, a prehistoric monster trapped in the cave cornered them. Only quick thinking by Supercar's team rescued him. Viewmaster Reel 3. I will carefully mark my trail, Dr. Beaker told the Supercar team, who had come to the cave area for a picnic lunch. And if I'm gone too long, it will be easy to find me. People have been lost in that cave, Professor Popkiss told Dr. Beaker, and no trace of them ever found. I know, answered Dr. Beaker, but there are many things to study in the cave, and perhaps I will discover why people have been lost in there. With that, he took his magnifying lens and a ball of red yarn and disappeared into the cavern. Mitch, the monkey, had no real business in the cave, but he went along because he was up to his usual monkey business. Picture 1. Dr. Beaker found a cave, high, interesting and unusual. He became so astonished that he kept going farther and farther, from one labyrinth to another, and lost all track of time. He didn't notice either that Mitch had been playing with the red yarn and the trail was destroyed. Picture 2. Mike Mercury, the test pilot, Jimmy and Professor Popkiss had unpacked the lunch long before that. I am getting hungry, said Jimmy. I wish they would hurry back. It has been several hours, Mike said. I wonder if something has gone wrong. Dr. Beaker gets carried away when he is studying, said Professor Popkiss. We will wait a little longer. Picture 3. Mitch, why did you do this? Now we are lost, cried Dr. Beaker, as he untangled the nifty monkey. A prehistoric monster, trapped in the cave, heard their voices. Dr. Beaker didn't see him as he peered at them from the dark access. Picture 4. Mike, we must not wait any longer, Professor Popkiss said. Take Supercar and I will control it with retro jets and radio it so you can travel safely yet quickly through the cave without crashing into the walls. Mike and Jimmy zoomed into the cave. Picture 5. Hissed the cave monster, ready to chew up Dr. Beaker as he had other cave explorers. What a remarkable creature, cried Dr. Beaker in astonishment. Eek! Mitch screeched and turned his face away. He couldn't bear to see Dr. Beaker eaten up alive. Picture 6. Mitch's scream was picked up along with the monster's hiss on Supercar's radio. Turning Supercar quickly in that direction, Mike zoomed straight to the place where Mitch and Dr. Beaker were trapped. Oh, look, what's that after them? Cried Jimmy. Mike radioed back to Professor Popkiss. We have found them. An incredible drift. What can we do? The fire jets. I will turn them on, the professor answered. The noise and fire may scare him away. The jets popped. Fire snapped out in stream. The huge creature turned. He slunk down in fright. Letting out a fearful gurgle, he turned and ran as fast as he could, with Supercar in pursuit. He disappeared into a deep, dark abyss, never to be seen again. Picture 7. The team of Supercar, though, decided that for this time they would finish their picnic lunch back at Supercar's base. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.